Thank you for your questions. So I'm going to give you a total 9 answers that will clearly define you one by one why South Asia is such an important aspect for medtech investment. So let's get started. You want that, right? Because you have the opportunity. Let's watch this 9 point.
After working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT? Yeah. Sure. Make it happen. Thank you. So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give a big hand to them?
Number one, the population, the volume of the population is like almost 675 million people. So with that amount of big population, there is a big scale of customer segment is waiting, and healthcare is always people getting healthy issue, getting that problem. People even being healthy when getting pregnant, having kids, or having a health checkup. So there's a lot of health related things people has, because everybody is alive means they have to take care of their health. And that's why as that amount of people is here already, so there is a lot of opportunity to serve them in different way. Number two, the poor health service. Most of the South Asian countries has a poor health service. Don't compare with Singapore. Don't compare with Thailand. But go to other countries. There's other South Asian countries that are all there too, which is not as great as it should be. It's way behind into it with the standard quality. So that means there is an opportunity of gap between the expectation and standard and where it is, and that can be properly solved by proper utilization, by building an entrepreneurship based medtech solutions, and that's where you come to play. Number three, the lack of investment. A lot of investors overlook the opportunity of putting an investor into this one too. So that was one of the things. Until now, it's not been invested. So that means you can bring it on and build up your model, bring up your tech-based solutions that will be successful. So here's the point. I'm not talking about they have lack of money, but what they have done, they just wanted to just set up like a one company, one model in Singapore and try to run it to other country like Vietnam, Cambodia, and that's how it doesn't really works, because you cannot have that kind of scale that easily at that amount of customer acquisition when you don't have an in-house strong team. Well, I'm not telling you, but you don't have to have a deployed module from every countries, but you need to have a team to promote your team, because your tech system is there, but you still need to have the right business model, and the business model need to be executed by your local team in each of the countries, and that's the point. And a lot of investors overlook that one. They're trying to catch the fish without getting into the water. So right now they cannot catch the fish, but if you do that one, you will be able to make a really great impact in your business by building right investment in building capability on the in-country step. Number four, the lack of data. So a lot of tech giants around, a lot of healthcare providers around the world, but they have not invested here in the South Asia yet. So that means the data is not being utilized yet. So those 675 million people has not really contributed the data which can be analyzed to build much more product. So that is a big opportunity to build your medtech solutions for this such kind of big amount of people. Number five, less competition. You don't want to jump to a competition where there's a very high competition. So there is a very less competition because a lot of companies try to enter before, and they actually had wrong strategies and they failed. I don't want to explain that one to what this wrong strategy, but they couldn't become successful. So all you need to do the right strategy, do the right investment to the in-house country, and then you will have a big opportunity to be successful, because there is no other strong competitor in the ground to compete with you to take your customer. This is the Success Booster card time. So question of the day. What is your key takeaway of this video so far? Go ahead and comment below the answer. We'll love to see what is the key takeaway. Science said that when you take up a key takeaway and note it down somewhere, you had a 35% chance to be actually doing it in your life to make it value out of it, which is amazing, right? But hang on, 35% is not enough. You need more, and this is the way I'm going to tell you how you can really make it happen. When you make a set of action, a plan that goes to from 35 to 91%, you can really make it happen in your life. So here we go. So from the key takeaway, what is the key action plan you're going to take, which is you learn from the video to your life make a plan and commit it in publicly and commit into it. And that's what's going to make sure that you got 91% red that is going to really happen to you. Will be able to make it happen and become successfully achieve your goal. And here's the last possible hack. When you announce something, a plan publicly, your 91% goes to 94% to really make it happen in the real life. So go ahead and comment below your plan in the video sections. We would love to see your plan, and we are 100% reply every comments in our channel. So we're going to see your plan, we're going to comment it, we're going to give you a feedback, and we're going to consult you to help you to make your plan to a reality. And that can go to up to 100% reality happens to your life. And that's how you get your action, key takeaway to action plan to success to your life. And you know what? We're also sitting down here to help you and celebrate your success with you. So what are you waiting for? Let's go back to the video, finish it, and we're looking forward to see your action plan. And let's make it happen to your life, because you can do that, right? All the best. Don't forget to make your plan, okay? Don't forget to make your plan. See you soon. Number 6. People use IoT. People are pretty used to with IoT solutions. So Internet of Things. People love apps. People love websites. People are well educated about those things. People like mobile devices and all kind of accesses of IoTs. So that means you don't need to come in and educate them what is IoT solution. They are already used to IoT solution. They're using into it. There's a lot of Gen Z here. They're all into Android and smartphone and iPhone. So they are very used to IoT solutions. So you don't have to educate them. So which is a big plus when you are educating a particular customers for your solutions, which is actually going to be an IoT solution. Medtech is going to be most likely an IoT solution, of course. Number 7, the internet connection. These South Asian countries, people has significant amount of usage of internet. They all have access to the internet. They all use the internet even in their phone as well too. So let me give you a statistics. In Vietnam, there are almost 90% people are using internet on their phone and at computers. So you can understand that by doing a little bit of research, you can see that all the countries have a high usage of internet. So as long as they are using high rate of internet already, and they're already used to IoT, your solution will be well fit to go into that for Medtech solutions for providing support, product, and services for all these people. Number 8, the governments. All the governments in South Asian countries are well fine. They open the door for coming to work with the tech companies, let the tech companies to enter the country and doing things. It's not going to be like exactly like when you want to enter in a country like China. There will be a lot more other challenge for you to get into that country. But here in South Asian country, governments are well open the door for getting the tech companies to come in and build such kind of medtech solution. But however, different country has different medical protocol and medical policies and compliance process, and you need to learn it. And that's why I'm telling you that you have to build it in-country teams, so they will be building and customize the solutions the right way, so it will comply with their government policy, accepted by government as well too, and can be well deployed to the people. Number 9, tech capabilities. You wanted to do that I just mentioned about. You need to do some customization, you have to do some deployment, you need to do some kind of tech support as well too. So even if you have a product from other countries in Europe or America, you've been having a lot of customer over there, but you can build a great tech system, tech hub in South Asia, and a lot of companies have done it, and there's been a big success for them. So you can build your tech hub here because there's a lot of tech capable professionals here, CIO, CTO, architects level, and developers, coders are all here. So you can easily build up a team to provide such kind of global scale support. So if you have a tech teams in Singapore, you can consider to move that up from Singapore to Vietnam or Bangladesh or Thailand, and you can easily build up a really good tech teams, and that can really help you to build great product and customize it with a way low operation cost. So here we go. So I gave you the total 9 answer, and that's why the Medtech solution is a great opportunity for building on for South Asian country, and there's a huge opportunity waiting for you. If you're watching this video, if you have any particular idea about Medtech, go ahead and comment below. I'd love to have a discussion with you. If you're already building a Medtech solution and you are getting any particular challenge, go ahead and comment below your questions. I'd love to answer with you. Like I told you that we answer 100% comments in our channel. Every comments we come in, we answer them as well. So if you have any questions, comment there. Myself and my team definitely gonna answer your questions and gonna help you out. So here we go. This is a big opportunity of building a metric solution for South Asian country. If you're not building, someone else will build. So why not you? So if you have an idea, go and build your solutions. If you need help, get our help and make a successful business or solution or product for making more people more healthy. All the best.